life in Philippines.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Cindy and my husband is Daddy Mossy. Join us in the story of our life here
heading
in the Philippines.
Inspector. Heading na tayo sa Kabangkalan. Yay! So hindi tayo makakita ng road kasi may ayan, Rosie. Orozco. So this is Araneta Street. Heading to Sumaag. Bacolod pa tayo guys. We're going to Dumaguete so far. Yeah.
First time he's waiting for us. Where are you? Hello. Ayan guys. Oo. He's doing a picture and a video.
We are here in Ipil bus station. Super dami ng mga biscuit na binibita guys. Ang lalaki.
Yan. Tik-tik-tik. Ayun. Too much light.
Meow.
Oh. I'm looking. Okay. Oo, stretching na. Thank you.
Let's eat.
Let's eat.
Usan yung gamit, basi na yung mabiyahan niya dira karon.
Grab, try. Sa Sambangganan eh.
Maraming pera, okay lang yun.
Amo tong terminal, no?
Taxi.
Morning guys, let's eat breakfast. This is from the hotel's breakfast. Let's eat. Hindi pa nga ako nakakuha ng rice. May rice sila, may cleaning, and then daddy. Mag-exercise tayo tuwing umaga. Video pa sa daka lang. Kami mauna mayabin. Nini. So ito guys ang stairs nila. We are heading to our room. Yeah, nag-stairs kami kay after breakfast. Uy, abi ko kan. May warm. Oh, see, di pasok. Yes. She tried the fish. Daddy is bringing the camera, guys. Welcome to our room. Welcome to our room. Guys, welcome to our room. Daddy's bringing the camera.
The legs were open.
The legs won't open. Open the legs!
kasi na. Ang aba mo na gusto ko.
Let's go.
Tapos tanggal na lang life jacket natin.
Ay, tanggal life jacket. Malap jacket mo. You don't need it. Okay. Let's go. Ako una. Okay guys, so dito tayo sa mangrove ng Ola. Hola, señorita.
This is the female mangrove. Regarding to their gender identification, pag babae, broad yung dahon or malapad. Broad
Okay.
malapad. To my left, si lalaki, pointed na.
Pointed. Correct. I can see.
Yeah, so those are the difference.
I can see the difference here.
So, regarding to their flowers distribution, kasi both of them nagpo-produce
Nagpo-
ng bulaklak.
Yeah.
But, again, the difference, when it comes to female, it has multiple flowers. Mabulaklakin.
Oo. Kay babae mo.
To my left, si lalaki, every stalk, dalawa-dalawa lang yung bulaklak. Na similar sa coffee beans.
I can see it. Yeah.
Yan yung difference.
Yes,
So,
yes.
those flowers, when they get fully grown or they will get to matured, the outcome will be yung parang bunga, ma'am, na yun na po yung ginagamit sa tree planting.
Yun.
Unfortunately, wala po akong mapapakita dito kasi more on mga babies pa yung mga flowers nila. Pero later on, kung may makikita tayo, bibigyan ko kayo para makita nyo or para ma-share nyo naman sa inyong mga videos or sa mga viewers nyo.
Oo.
Yan. So, yung bunga na yon, yung local term na tawag namin sa kanila is tongke. In English, mangrove propagule. Mangrove propagule, mamaya na yung spelling, basta mangrove propagule na lang tayo.
Yes.
So, yun po yung ginagamit sa tree planting activities. Pero dito sa island, hindi na namin ginagawin tree planting kasi by their own, kaya na po nilang mag-propagate. They can
Oo.
multiply,
Correct yan.
kaya nilang magparami
Correct
by
yan.
their own.
Oo.
So, yung ginagawa lang namin dito, we are preventing the garbages na nadadala ng current, nadadala ng dagat, coming from the nearly barangays or the nearly islands. Pag high tide po kasi yung current or yung dagat papasok dito. So that's the time na nadadala yung mga basura. So every time na may mga nadadala or nakikita kaming garbages, kinukuha namin, nilalagay sa sako, and dinideliver namin yan pabalik sa
City.
Zamboanga City or sa city
Proper disposal.
para proper disposal nila.
Correct yan. That's how you do it,
So,
Jess.
Ito pong
Sa Larubor.
mangrove or bakawan, yung bunga na napoproduce nila, this flower, and yung bunga na tinatanim, babae po yung napoproduce ni babae.
Okay.
Same lang kay lalaki. Lalaki din yung napoproduce niya na bunga.
Oh.
So therefore, itong si babaeng bakawan, she'll grow among babaeng bakawans lang. Kasi yung kanilang mode ng propagation, every time na nagiging matured itong bunga, nahuhulog or hulog ng hulog lang yung kanilang trabaho. So, dapat dun po siya tutubo sa puro kapwa lang babae. Same lang kay lalaki. So, starting dun sa entrance point, ladies and gentlemen, going right to this area.
Sige ma'am. Paddle. Yun. Medyo idiin pa sa dagat yung paddle po. Yun. Bye ma'am. Ingat sa biyak. So guys, we are in the National Museum of Zamboanga del Sur. So ito guys yung nakikita niyo sa likod natin. Hindi na kami nakapasok because we've only got a couple of minutes. So okay na. At least we've been here. Quick visit. Oh, quick visit. And si Nining. Let's go. We got 2 minutes of tanong po. Yeah. Ready to order. Ay, let's order the burger. He wants, available ang burger. Yes, ma'am. Okay, he wants. So guys, good afternoon, good evening. We are here in another hotel in Zamboanga del Sur. So this restaurant is Marcel Hermosa Hardin restaurant. So we are here, we are having dinner. So we take you with us, we'll have dinner. There's Daddy Mosi. Welcome to Zamboanga del Sur. Very nice, guys. So this is the restaurant that we went to. Ayan siya, guys. May swimming pool. Hey, kain tayo. Let's try the pinakulala with no alcohol. So I will not get drunk. I want to eat. Very nice. Oh. I like it. Make room for our food. Abot nga ako mga pagkaon. Mahawas kita nga tatlo. Guys, cheers. Pinakulada with no alcohol. It's the best flavor. Ngunit, take a photo. Naging lugay-lugay naman nila nga duanit. Guys, let's see. This is the ano yung tunay nga rice. Ako na po ma-serve. Wala galaw-law. This is cordon bleu. Yun ang picture na wala.
This one
Ga-pray. Subong no, ga-selfie.
Yeah, so hindi ko na.
Agad.
Pray before
Thank you, Lord, for the blessing. Did you get it?
Ay,
Naka-picture ko eh.
picture na. Ano nga lang niya naman?
Cordon bleu.
Ang pork. Chicken.
Chicken. Ayan, hindi sa bata. Pag-order ka mo. Isagit siya net ka amo na. 800 lang.
Sa din.
Sa bata. Pang party. Tapos sa Roslon na kareserya.
Ay, sorry.
Bye-bye now.